Good morning, my dear friends and my dear students. Today, I will discuss about the topic relating to skeletal system that is all present all over our body. So, without taking any delay, let's get started. So, it is the first slide. Very carefully look into that schematic diagram. What we have seen? We have seen that the skeleton is properly divided into two parts. Number one is axial skeleton, number two is appendicular skeleton. Okay, so then the axial skeleton is further divided into four types, that is skull, vertebral column, ribs, and sternum. So after that, the vertebral column, which is 26 in number, it is also again divided into four types, that is facial bone, cranium, air ossicles, and hyaloid bones. So you can see that these are the numbers which are written under that every name. Okay, such as that cranium, which is inside that the eight skeletons are present. Okay, that means small bones are present in that cranium. Okay, next, when we turns towards the appendicular skeleton, we found that it is divided into two types. One is girdle bone, another is limbic bone. So the girdle bone is again divided into two types, that is pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. So these are the different types of your skeletal system present in our body of a human being, of a normal human being, you can say. So you can see all these classification, all these types are present in that diagram, which is starting from the cranium, then the mandible, which is present in the mouth region, after that the clavicle, and after that the your thoracic region, which is covered by the sternum and the ribs. Then comes to the underwards, and there is the ilium, sacrum, and different kinds of bones are present. You can observe all these things. So after that, in the final one, that is the lower waist, we can find that the femur bone, patella, ischium, tibia, and fibula, tarsals and metatarsals. These are the different kinds of bones you can find in our human body. So when I am telling about the different kinds of bone, there is a different kinds of your vertebral column. Okay, what is vertebral column? That is the back side of that is also known as our backbone of our human being. So it is divided into your five types. Number one, that is the cervical vertebrae. First our the head part is known as skull, after that the known as the cervical vertebrae, after that the thoracic region, which is where it is present, that is known as the thoracic vertebrae, after that the lumbar vertebrae, sacrum vertebrae, and last one is the coccygeal vertebrae. So you have to remember all these kinds of vertebrae present in our backbone. Okay, and while we have uh, when you are asked about those different kinds of vertebrae, you have to signify or identify these parts. Okay, so after that, let's come to the next slide. We have read about the 31 pairs of spinal nerve, which are divided into the following segments. So we have the 31 pairs of nerves, and it is divided into the following segments. Number one, I have already discussed thoracic, which is 18 number. So first one is cervical, that is 18 number, thoracic, that is 12 in number, after that lumbar, that is 5 in number, sacral, that is 5 in number, and coccygeal, that is 1 in number. This is last bone of our backbone. Okay, so in order to, if we add all these small bones, we have found that there is total 31 pairs in number. Okay, so the 8 bones are named as, what are the 8 bones? We have to name these bones. That is, first one is the frontal bone, then the temporal bone, which are The 8 bones which are present, we have to know about that, which are present in our skull region. Okay, frontal bone, that is 2 in number. Temporal bone, okay, then comes to occipital bone, that is 2 in number, and parietal bone, that is 2 in number. So all total, that is 8 in number. Okay, these are present in our skull region. So if the bones are as we have discussed about the different kinds of bone earlier, then we have to know about the different bones. That is, the femur is the longest and heaviest bone of our body, which is present in our thigh region, and it is uh, its main function is to support our body part. Next one is your tibia and fibula, which support the shank of our leg, that is present afterwards the femur bone. Then the patella bone, that is cup shaped bone, it is joint shaped the femur and with tibia and all. So patella is the uh, cup shaped bone joint which joint the two bones, that is the femur and tibia and fibula. Okay, so it is the joining point of tibia, fibula, and femur. Next one is tarsal. It is present in the ankle region and helps in the movement of foot. So tarsal is present in our ankle region. So after that, the metatarsal, which is 5 in numbers in each of our legs. So the bone of the foot, it helps in the attachment of the tarsal and its phalanges. So metatarsal is the joining point of tarsal and phalanges. So afterwards, phalanges, that is 14 number of bones, finger bones, which is 2 in thumbs and 3 in each fingers. So we have to remember all these things, that is phalanges are 14 in number. Okay, and these bones are helps in the for attachment of the substratum of the different higher order organisms also, that can be a human or rabbit. Okay, so all these things we have read about, and after that the skeletal muscles are present. So you all can visible that the different kinds of skeletal muscles are present in our body. So I don't need to explain it all, you have to remember all these things. So I, आज के लिए इतना ही, आगे मिलते हैं फिर अगले वीडियो में। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग, थैंक यू।